Morning, aquí en route. We're gonna go pick up a 2021 F150 here from the salvage yard. Vamos a ver cómo viene, and ahorita we're gonna put some more clips. Hacer un little TikTok on the start and then on the finish. Yeah, we're barely getting here. We're gonna pick up the 2021 F150, load it up, y ahorita ya, once they load it, I'll put another clip. Yeah, pues we're here in the salvage yards already, so here it is. I haven't even opened it or anything, pero nothing I haven't fixed before. Algo leve. Mamalon. 2021 F150 STX twin turbo. Yeah, now we got it loaded. Ya todo cargadito aquí, ready to hit the road. Take it apart to see what we need to, all the parts we need to rebuild it. Basically just look the front end, but it's not that much.